channel. Today's video is going to be on these jumbo braids with like beads, I guess. I have been seeing this, well not this, but several pictures floating around Instagram of these braids, and I thought they were so cute, and so I was like, yes, I want to do them. So I have a video up already of me doing knotless braids that are smaller than these, but yeah, I just figured I'd throw this up anyway since I was doing some beads. I just feel like I can't do my hair without putting up a video on it. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I use to achieve this look. So we have this braiding hair. This is pre-stretched braiding hair by Model. It's the 3X Everclear pre-stretched braid. It's supposedly pre-rinsed and cleansed in a vinegar wash. And so this is what it looks like. You get 3 bundles here, and I think this was like $8. Any pre-stretched hair will work. I would really recommend that you just pay the few extra dollars for pre-stretched braiding hair. It saves you so much time, you guys, and like you don't lose as much hair, because if you've used expressions before, like in the past when everybody was using expressions before pre-stretched hair, you know, like when you're pulling it, it can get really tangled, and then you can end up losing so much because it's like knotted up. So although it's maybe like $5 for that, maybe like $8 for this, I would just say pay the few extra dollars for some pre-stretched hair. And I only used 1 pack and like a little teeny bit of a second pack, so I would say 1 pack is enough. I used this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. You can use any jam, doesn't have to be this one. They have like the orange, blue, green, whatever. Any of them are fine. The jam and then the beads. So clearly there is like some type of bead back order. Like I don't know what's going on. I guess because of quarantine, I don't know, COVID, the beads can't get here, child. Look, I don't know. But I had to buy this just to get the clear beads in here. There were literally no clear beads. Like I was like, explain it to me, make it make sense. So I had to buy these. I bought like 10 packs because I didn't know how many like I was gonna need for how many braids or whatever, but they were just like $1 a pack. So I just bought these. I picked out all the clear ones, and yeah, that's what I used. And I used the beader in here. You guys will see in the little tutorial. So mini tutorial, okay? It's not even a tutorial, it's just me showing you what I did, because I honestly cannot teach you how to do knotless braids. Like you just have to watch tutorials, literally just watch tutorials, and well, I won't say like watch real braiders, but like usually if you go to like a real braiding channel where like that's what they focus on, they'll be like really close up and kind of give you step by step how to cross your fingers over to get the knotless braids. Mine are not perfect by any stretch. They look good to say I did them myself, but they are definitely not perfect. Like there's a lot of places where you can see the seams, like see like where I was adding in the hair. It literally just comes with practice. Like your hair is, if you do it yourself and it's like it's like my first time doing knotless braids. I've done them before, but it takes a lot of practice just to be able to get that really seamless look. So don't be discouraged if yours don't come out exactly like the pictures that you've been seeing that have been done by professionals. Like your hair is still gonna be cute, sis. Okay, it's still gonna be cute. So yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. I have like 20-ish braids. Maybe I think maybe like 22, 23 braids. And like I said, I only used 1 pack of hair. I'm wearing the style, so y'all already know it's lightweight, honey, because if it wasn't, this will be a no-go. Okay, I'll have to take this out immediately. So yeah, they're really light. The beads are super light too. So yeah, I love these. I think they're so cute. I don't think I really have anything else to say. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys me doing this 1 braid in the front, and then I'm going to show you how I added on the beads. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think if you guys, like I said, I cannot teach you how to do this, but feel free to watch my other knotless braid tutorial to see, you know, if you can get a better look or whatever, how you're supposed to be like crossing over your fingers and how you add in the hair and stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Jumpsuit is by my company, Ajay Official. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, follow me on Instagram. I'll link my stuff down below. And I think that's going to be it for this video. If you guys have any questions about anything, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. I will try to get back to you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around. It's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. It's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more.